So a lot of people ask me, how do you present your work if you want to be a freelance composer for moving media, for big brands, which is our specialty? And I always say, make it as easy as possible for your potential client to understand your superpower very quickly. So we talk about the 3 C's in our academy, which is make everything clear, crisp, and compelling, from your email to your website to your reel. I recommend that you scour your hard drives right now and find the best examples of your superpower, ones that not only jump out of the speaker and actually give you goosebumps, but ones that you could actually imagine being in a brand campaign or a commercial. I would also recommend that you go to sites like adsoftheworld.com to check out what brands are doing with sound, with music, and so that you understand what kind of things they're likely to commission from freelance musicians. And if you don't have enough stuff like this on your hard drive, I want you to give yourself a challenge over the next 7 days to download commercials that you see from brands that reflect your musical superpower. And I want you to spend every single day scoring a 30-second commercial. And then I want you to take the music that you made during those 7 days and stitch it together into a seamless 90-second mix that will express your musical superpower to a music producer like me, who will right away get an idea of what I can expect from you. If you want to know more on how to position yourself to the industry so you can make a living making music right from your home studio, follow me.